Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bedsure heated blanket and you're getting an F3 error and you're wondering what this error is and how can you get rid of it. So the F3 error is when it is detecting an electrical connection anomaly somewhere in the blanket. And so what you need to do is two things. One, you're going to need to reset your blanket, and two, you're going to need to check all the connections. So to do all that, all we're going to do is turn our blanket off, and then we're going to unplug it from the wall. And then once we do that, we're going to check everything that is all the connections. So when we plug it back in, we're going to make sure we plug it in nice and snug. And for testing it, try not to use a power strip or an extension cord or anything like that. And you want to check the wiring that goes into the controller, coming out of the controller, going in and out of the blanket. And make sure that there's nothing that looks loose or damaged or anything in those places. Once you've checked all that stuff, you can go ahead and plug your blanket back in and see if that doesn't get rid of the error. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.